Hello, this is Escoto M33. That'll be me, also known as 315 Dragon on YouTube. And this is a little homework assignment for Mr. Hill's English 3 class. You can see, I'm heading in the woods right now. And I'm trying to get to the park near somewhere in my neighborhood. Later on. Hopefully if I can make it. Yeah. There's so many branches. What? Sorry, Mrs. Rose, asking a question. I don't think I have time to answer it. There's a thorn in the way. Yeah. Ow. Too many branches. Yeah. Alright, made past that. So many obstacles. Ow. Alright, that was a weird sound I didn't expect to hear. Alright. See? It's like a little creek. There, you can hear it as well. Just like a... Ow! Darn it! Thorn! Damn. There's like a pipe somewhere around there. There it is. I don't think I can make it across that without damaging my camera, so I don't think I'll jump over it. I won't jump over it. Ow, so many prickly things in the way here. Ow! Alright. So many things here. What are those? Copper wires? Ow. Holy. Man, there are a lot of thorns nearby. Oh. Ow. Getting low. Getting low. Short. Got some thorns. Ah. Made it. Whew. Yeah. Don't ever try this at home. Well, I'm near my house, but still, don't try this at home. Alright. That would have been painful. Thorn bush right in front of my face. Getting it out. Never mind. So many thorns nearby. I don't know about poison ivy. Not that I've ever seen any nearby. No, it's not poison ivy. It's supposed to have a location of 3 leaves on one stem. Those have a bunch of leaves on one stem. Ow! If I ever make it out of this, I am gonna need a lot of band-aids after this. Probably shower just in case I get affected by anything. Ow! Thorns, thorns, thorns. It's because I brought my hockey stick along. No, I'm not a hockey player, I'm a swimmer. Found on my lawn a few years ago on a Halloween day. Ugh. You can see the sand mixed with the water. Looks some kind of like a sewage thing. Yeah, and now about to hug a tree. I know, random. Sorry, spider webs. Watch this. Yes, you can call me now a tree hugger. Alright. I don't know how much battery I have left on this. But I do have 17 some minutes on this. 5 minutes already passed. And I am trapped. Couple with a large number of thorns around there. Like I said, I am trying to get to the playground area near my house. Yes, that indicates I am near the roads. There's a school bus just passed, probably for middle schoolers. Don't know how far I am. From my destination. Ow! Too many thorns, ow, in the way. Ah. Whew. I was originally going to bring my paintball gun for projectile protection. But it looks like I won't be needing it. I just brought the hockey stick. Okay, where do I go from here? Whoa, a thorn right there. Just let me put away my hockey stick. Yeah, so you can see I'm near a house. That's probably the other neighborhood. Wow. Not a good position I'm in. Lots. Ow. And what? Ow! Damn. Copper wire. See? Ow! Oh, wow. I got cut up bad right there. Yeah. Maybe this wasn't such a smart idea after all. Yeah. Damn. 3 cuts on there. Not that much in deep. I think I'm almost out of the thorns area. I don't know when, just hope so. A lot of branches here. thorn branch. Wow. I am in a predicament, to be honest. Ow. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Yeah. Really painful. A lot of branches. Thanks. Oh look, a vine. This. I hope my main goal now is just to reach. Get off that! Yeah, sorry, I had an ant right there. Make it right there. Lots and lots of bushes. Alright. 11 minutes has passed since I've entered these woods. I'll survive. I'll survive. Yeah, I don't know why I just... Ow! Man, there are a lot of thorns around there. Yes. No, pipes. Not pipes, but... Ow. Whoa! Camera got loose. Sorry. Just see a thorn. See? That's a thorn. Yeah. Yes. Ow, ow. I should have worn a sweater just in case. Ow. Ow. I made it. 12 minutes passed. Didn't make it to the original destination, but now my new destination was right there. Civilization. Yes. Made it. Oh, whoa. Ow, ow, ow. Clearly, the old saying goes. Now the ow! Woods just yet. Huh. Ow! Ow! Ow, clearly thorns are on here preventing me from making it. Almost 3 minutes left on this video. Man, so much thorns. I don't think I'll be making it. Like around trip back. This has been Escoto M33 signing off.